the weapons, collective edge.
Welcome to the Weapons Collective Edge. Today I'm going to go over a Damascus knife that model number st242, and this blade has Damascus on the outside and a VG10 core, and has some nice file work on it. A very nice looking knife. Clip on it over here. A liner lock. So as we can see, I pop that up, pop that off. Good action. Trying to get a close-up view right there. We can see it. You can see that line. There's a core down the center, and that's your VG10. We see the blade here. It's that dark edge. The shiny is because it's sharpened, but that dark edge should be that VG10 all the way through the center. So you got a hard material down the middle, and then the Damascus to make it all pretty. Got some nice file work. You see the file work here. There's some file work on the back there. The blade on this is really good and sharp. I'll show you later on how well it cuts. And what I liked about it, beautiful rosewood, little leather thong on the end of it, but it has a 3.5 inch blade and about a 4.5 inch handle. Sharpness, we're looking at factory, right from the factory. Get her started here. Put a little more pressure. The company name on this is Sitivien, I would say. And that's the company it came from. Just a nice little box went in there. But that was the very good action. Ball bearing inside there. Flip it easy. It's not assisted opening, as you can see here, but it does open. It's just loose there. There's no spring. It does kind of pop back into place. Has a little notch, but just by the ball bearing action, that pops in there. So very good action. The liner looks nice too. So overall, beautiful knife. That was the st242. I'll put a link up to it. And if you like this, please subscribe. And I will catch you later. See ya.